to first go to the top of the page and click Start Assignment. I put Submit Assignment here, but it actually says Start Assignment. So if you click Start Assignment, it will open the text entry box here for you. And you can see above the directions are still here. So you're going to, the easiest way to move these questions and these ads down is to choose your ad, and I would select all of it. You right click it and you choose copy. Okay, so you can then go down and you right click and go to paste your ad. And then you can also, if you like, go to the questions, right click the questions, choose copy, go down to the text box, and you can also put the questions here by right clicking, going to paste, and now you have your questions. And then you can just type your answers next to the questions or below the questions. Hopefully that helps you to put the assignment together in the text box.